They are so delicious that I cook them twice a week and wish I could eat them every day. For this recipe, we will need 3 tomatoes. Cut these tomatoes into very thick slices. After that, remove the core of these tomatoes and set them aside. Now, with the help of a knife, cut the core into small pieces and add them to a bowl. Also cut some chives and add them to the bowl. Next, add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of flour, and stir to combine. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now in a frying pan, put oil and spread it with the help of a brush. Then add all the tomato minus the core. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love tomatoes." To continue, fill these tomatoes with the mixture we made, cover them, and let them fry on medium heat until the filling is ready. And our recipe is ready! Now you can just enjoy it! You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and very delicious. I'm sure everyone in your family will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!